Welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specification students. So in previous classes we were dealing with long wall and short wall method, which is also known as separate wall or individual wall method. So in previous classes we have solved a numerical example based on long wall and short wall method, which was of a single room building. Now let us see the next question on this methods of building estimate, that is nothing but long wall and short wall method on two walls. If a building has two rooms, then what will be the procedure for determining the quantities? So that is our numerical example 2, which will be solving in today's class. So before beginning, let us recall the formulas. What is the formula for long wall? Long wall formula is, for determining long wall, the formula should be center to center length of long wall, center to center length of long wall plus 1 breadth. Whereas the formula to determine this is nothing but length of long wall, length of long wall. Now length of short wall, length of short wall, the formula is center to center length of short wall minus 1 breadth, minus 1 breadth. So this is the formula which we have learned in previous class to determine the length of long wall and length of short wall. If we are perfect with these two formulas, if we apply correctly these two formulas, then our problem solving will be very easy. Now let us see the question. The question is as follows. The plan represent the plan of a superstructure wall of a two-room building, and section represent cross section of the wall with foundation. Now what we need to do is, we need to estimate the quantities of earthwork in excavation in foundation. That is nothing but our first step to do. What we need to do? Earthwork in excavation in foundation, earthwork in excavation in foundation. What is our second one? Our second step is to determine the concrete, okay, the quantity of concrete in the foundation. This is our second step. Third one, brickwork in foundation and plinth. Fourth, this is the extra add-on in this problem, DPC. The meaning of DPC is dam proof course. What we need to do after the plinth, we need to find out the quantity of dam proof course, which is 2.5 centimeter wide, which is running at center to center towards the all the layout. And the fifth one which we need to determine is brickwork in superstructure. What we need to do? We need to determine brickwork in superstructure. As you can see here, the provisions of doors, windows are given. The doors, the provision for doors, windows are given. So what we need to do? We need to deduct the quantities of doors, windows and shelves in this problem. In previous problem we have not deducted any of these things, but in this problem, as the doors, windows and shelves are clearly located, what we need to do is, we need to determine the, what we need to do? We need to deduct the quantities of doors, windows and shelves. Okay, so let us proceed to our problem. So as this is the question, first of all let us determine which is long wall and which is short wall. As you can see over here, this is nothing but a long wall. This 4 plus 6, 11 meters, which we can find, this is long wall. Long wall in this direction, long wall in this direction, and short wall in this direction, short wall in this direction. How many long walls we have? We have one long wall. As you can see, long wall 1, we have long wall 2, we have two long walls. Whereas how many short walls we have? Short wall 1, short wall 2, and this is also our short wall 3. So we have two numbers. Let us write the numbers. Number of long wall we have 2, whereas number of short wall given in the figure here we have 3. In earlier problem, numerical example, the both were the number of long walls were also 2, the number of short walls were also 2, but here the scenario in this problem, the number of long walls are 2 and number of short walls are 3. Now let us determine center to center length of long wall. Center to center length of long wall. How to determine center to center length of long wall? See, look at over here. This is nothing but our 4 meters. So write down this 4 meters plus, see, this is nothing but 30 centimeter. This also we count it, 0.3 meters plus, this is now how much? 6 centimeter, 6 meters plus center to center length. So we'll take 30 centimeter by 2, 0.3 by 2 plus here also we have what we have 30 centimeter wall thickness, 0.3 by 2. If we add all this, what we'll get? Center to center length will get. What we'll get? Center to center length, which is nothing but 4 plus 6, 11. 0.3 plus 0.3 is 11.6 meter is our length of long wall. Once again calculate this, whether 11.6 is our length of short wall or sorry, it is not 11.6, I am sorry to say, it is 10.6. 4 plus 3 is how much? 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 0.3 plus 0.6, 10.6 meter is our center to center length. Now let us determine center to center length of short wall. Center to center length of short wall. What is the center to center length of short wall? Which is the short wall? What is the length of short wall? We can see it over here. 6 meters is the length of short wall. 6 meter plus, what is the thickness of the wall? Look at over here. This is what is the thickness? 0.3 by 2. 0.3 by 2 plus, again over here at the bottom also we need to include 0.3 by 2, which is nothing but what we have got? 6.3 meters is nothing but our length of short wall. 6.3 meters is our length of short wall. Is it clear now how to determine the center to center length and how to determine the center to center length of long wall and how to determine the center of center length of short wall? Is it clear now? So our next step is to formulate the table. What we need to write in the table? Here it is particular. Here we have numbers. Here what we need to write? Length, breadth, height or depth, quantity, remarks. Quantity will be in meter cube. Okay, this will be in meters. This is also in meters. This is also in meters. So what is our first step? What we need to find out? Earthwork in excavation in foundation. Earthwork in excavation. So our first is to find out earthwork in excavation. Quantity of earthwork in excavation. Quantity of earthwork in excavation. So again we have long wall. We have short wall. How many long walls we have? We have 2 long walls. We have 3 short walls. As we have decided, in the previous slide we have seen that we have 2 long walls and we have 3 short walls. So in remarks, what we need to do? We need to write the length of long wall. What is the formula for length of long wall? Length of long wall is equal to what it is? Center to center length plus 1 breadth. Okay. So what is the center to center length of long wall, which we have calculated over here? It is 10.6 plus 1 breadth. See, look at over here, excavation. What is the width of the excavation which we have to dig? Look at the cross section. Look in this figure. What is the width of the excavation? It is how much? 1.10 meter. So 1.10 meter. This is how much? 11.70 meters. It is 11.70 meters. Okay, write down it over here. 11.70. Similarly, calculate length of short wall. Length of short wall is equal to center to center length minus 1 breadth. What is the center to center length? 6.3 is the center to center length. 6.3 minus what is breadth? 1.10. So it is nothing but how much? 5.2 meters. 5.2 meters. Write down over here 5.2. Breadth, as we have know that it is 1.10. Here also 1.10. Now we need to find excavation. Excavation will be having height or depth? It will be depth. So what is the depth of the excavation? See, what we need to do, what is the ground level? Ground level, you can see it is still here. Okay, this length we need to calculate. This is nothing but depth of our foundation. It is nothing but depth of the foundation. Just look here, what will be the depth of the foundation? Okay, 30 centimeter plus 80 centimeter plus 70 sorry, that is the width. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add all this 30 20, we need to add this 30 20 10 10 10 20. If we add all this, this is 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 30 80, 80 plus 20 is how much? 80 plus 20 100, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter in the sense 1 meter. We need to write it in meters. Now what we need to do, we need to multiply all these quantities with number, length, breadth and depth. What we need to do, we need to multiply this. If we multiply, we will get the quantity. Multiply 2 into 11.70 into 1.10 into 1. The quantity will be, what will be the quantity? 25.74. meter cube. Similarly, if you multiply 3 into 5.2 into 1.1 over here, 3 into 5.2 into 1.1 into 1, this value will be 17.16. 17.16 meter cube. The total quantity of earthwork, it stands to be 42.90 meter cube. meter cube. The next step will be similar to this. After determining earthwork in excavation, our next step, our step 2 is concrete in foundation, to determine the quantity of concrete, or we also call it as a lime concrete in foundation. It is very simple and it is very much similar to the earthwork in excavation, just we need to change height or depth. If we change that, everything will be the similar. Second is to determine quantity of concrete in foundation. Concrete in foundation, which is nothing but our PCC. We also call it as a PCC. Similarly, long wall, and we have short wall. The number of long walls are 2, the number of short walls are 3. Okay, we have 2 long walls and 3 short walls. Length will be the similar one, 11.70, as the breadth of the concrete foundation is same as the excavation. The breadth of concrete, as you can see over here, this is the depth of the excavation. This part we are focusing now. Okay, this one, the depth is the width is 1.10, whereas the depth is 30 centimeter. So just these 2 parts will be changing, rest everything will be same. Okay, the length is 11.70. Here also the length is 5.2 itself. Breadth is also 1.10. Here also breadth 1.10. Just here we have taken everything from the ground level. Here we had to dig a trench, but here just we need to pour this. So just we will take only this height. What is this height? This height is how much? 30 centimeter. What do we mean by 30 centimeter? If we convert it into the meter, 0.3 meters. So if we multiply the quantities, we will get the quantity of concrete in foundation. Multiply these values. Two into 11.7 into 1.0 into 0.3, and here also 3 into 5.2 into 1.0 into 0.3. What we need to do? We need to multiply this. If we multiply this, the values will be around the first value will be 7.72 meter cube, 7.72, 5.15 meter cube. If we do the total value, the total quantity of concrete is in foundation is 12.87 meter cube. 12.87 meter cube. Is it clear now? After determining the concrete in foundation, our next step is to determine brickwork in foundation and plinth. This is somewhat hectic, this is somewhat complicated thing which you need to understand, as the width of the foundations continuously changes and you need to decide which is our first foundation and which is our second foundation. Okay, so how many foundations we have? You just check it over here. We have around, if you look this figure closely, how many foundations, how we name it is, then how we are naming it as, see, which you can see this as 80 centimeter one. We have first foundation. I'll write it over here. You cross verify with the figure. We have first foundation. First foundation, width is 0.8, width or breadth is 0.8, and depth is, depth or height we can say, height is 0.3. Sorry, height is 0.2. Height is 0.2. Again we have second foundation. Width is 0.7. Height is 0.1. we have third foundation. Look at this figure. We have third foundation, width is 0.6 and height is 0.1. Similarly, fourth foundation also, fourth foundation width is 0.5, okay, and the height is 0.1. After fifth foundation, the fifth foundation is nothing but plinth. Again, after that we have plinth. What it is? What is a plinth? Plinth width is 0.4, whereas height is, look at the height, 60 plus 20. Look at this height, 60 plus 20. It is 0.8 meters. It is nothing but 0.8 meters. Just what we need to do is, we need to add this data, we need it in the our particulars table. What we need this data in particulars table. This width is nothing but breadth also. You can call it as breadth also. Okay. So now again we need to fill the particulars. The first one is particular. Numbers, length, breadth, height, quantity and remarks. What we are determining? We are determining the brickwork in foundation and plinth. That is nothing but our third one. Brickwork in foundation and plinth. First, let us calculate for long wall. Let us calculate for long wall. In long wall, what we have? First foundation, second foundation, third foundation, fourth foundation, and we have plinth. This all data we have. What is the quantity of long walls? We have 2 long walls. Okay. So length we need to determine this. So let us calculate the formulas, the length formulas. Length of long wall over here. Length of long wall is equal to center length plus 1 breadth. So what is the center to center length of long wall? We also know what is the center to center length of long wall. 10.6. We have calculated 10.6. Okay. For first foundation 10.6 plus 1 breadth. What is the breadth of first foundation? 0.8. For second foundation 10.6 plus 0.7. For third foundation 10.6 plus 0.6. For fourth foundation 10.6 plus 0.5. For plinth 10.6 plus 0.4. These are nothing but length. These are nothing but all lengths. So 10.6 plus 0.8, it is nothing but 11.4. This will be 11.3. This is 11.2, 11.1. This is our 11. this all data we need to fill it over here. 11.4, 11.3, 11.2, 11.1, 11. Okay, width 0.8, okay, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.4. Height, we have already seen the figure and we have calculated this. 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.8. Write those heights. Zero 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.8. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply all these values. What we need to do? We need to multiply all these values. Two into 11.4 into 0.8 into 2. So this value will be how much? 3.65. This value will be 1.58, 1.34. Multiply it. 2 into 11.2 into 0.6 into 0.1. We get this value as 1.11. 11.0 into 0.5 into 10 into, okay, this value will be 7.04. Now what we need to do? This we have calculated for long wall. Short wall will be calculated in next page. Same thing, what we are calculating? Brickwork in foundation and plinth, which will be calculating it in next page. Particulars, again fill this. Particulars, numbers, length, breadth, height, quantity, remarks. Okay, so now what we will do? We will calculate earthwork, what we were calculating? Brickwork. Third point we were calculating brickwork in foundation and plinth. We will calculate it for short wall. We will calculate it for short wall. First foundation, second foundation, third foundation, fourth foundation, plinth. Okay, we have how many short walls? We have 3 short walls. So the numbers will be 3 over here. Again, length. What is the formula? Length of short wall is equal to length of short wall is equal to center to center length minus 1 breadth. Center to center length minus 1 breadth. So what it is? Look at over here. Center to center length minus 1 breadth. So what is the center to center length of short wall? It is 6.3. What it is? 6.3. Minus, what is the first breadth? Here, what all you have done plus over here. In short wall, what you need to do? You need to do the minus. So minus 0.8. This is for first foundation. Second foundation, 6.3 minus 0.7. Third foundation, 6.3 minus 0.6. fourth foundation 6.3 minus 0.5, plinth 6.3 minus 0.4. What we need to do? We need to write all these values. What is the value of 6.3 minus 0.8? It is 5.50. It will be 5.60, 5.70, 5.80, 5.90. This all values, what we need to do? We need to write it in the length column. 5.50, 5.60, 5.70, 5.80, 5.90. What is the breadth over here? Here we have 0.4, here we have 0.5, here we have 0.6, here we have 0.7, here we have 0.8. The height, we will take it from the previous thing, 0.2, 1, 1, 1, 0.8, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.8. Now, if we multiply the quantities, what we will get? We will get the total quantity of, multiply all these quantities, 3 into 5.50 into 0.8 into 0.2, which is approximately equal to 2.64. The next value will be equal to 1.18. Okay, what will be the next value? .03, 0.87, 5.66. If we add all these values, which values? The total long wall quantity plus short wall quantity. What is long wall quantity? We have got it over here. See, this is nothing but our long wall quantity. Okay. Brickwork in foundation, long wall plus short wall. Here again we will write long wall quantities plus this all. If we multiply this, we will get the value approximate equal to 26.10 meter cube. 26.10 meter cube. Okay. This we have calculated it. What we have calculated in our given question, we have calculated earthwork in excavation in foundation, earthwork concrete in foundation, quantity of concrete in foundation, quantity of brickwork in foundation and plinth. Let us calculate the remaining two parts, DPC, that is nothing but 2.5 centimeter CC, and brickwork in superstructure with deductions in the next class. Okay. I hope you people have understood. This next part will be continued. Fourth and fifth part will be continued in next class. I'll write it over here. Fourth and fifth part in next class. Thank you.